Hi guys, this is Frank Conteschi here at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to walk you through our 2021 Sailfish 242 center console. So as you can see, Scott will give you a nice hull shot here. This is the ice blue hull color. And what's really cool is Sailfish match that hull color underneath the hardtop, or T-top. Moving back here on the transom, you'll get a good shot of our Yamaha 150s on the back here. Moving around, Scott will do another whole side shot on this side. You can see that this boat does have trim tabs, underwater lights, and a lot more features that I'll show you inside the boat. As we come into the boat, I'll give Scott a second to just step up. Across our transom here, nice rod storage, cup holders, and a telescoping ski tow bar. Live well, and then each side here has jump seats. I have that one down so Scott can step into the boat, and then this one's positioned out. Storage underneath the leaning post here. Nice spot for some tackle and some drawer storage. As we move forward, you'll see a really nice display here. Sailfish changed up their helm for this year. Twin screens, all flush mounted with a Fusion stereo system. Controls, rocker switching, trim tabs. One of the great features that Sailfish incorporates into their center consoles is this storage compartment. You can put your phones in here, charge them. It does have a gasket around, so it is all waterproof inside. Going up to the top of the T-top, we do have a static hinge here, so short guys like me don't slam their fingers down. That will stay up. And then your VHF as well. As we move forward, here's a good shot of the head. So nice room in here, nice step down. All your controls are in there for your batteries, and then there is a table as well. As we move forward, beautiful layout here. Scout does a really good job of incorporating seating into their boats, but also giving you some room to fish. Their backrests also act as bolsters, so if you're fishing you can lean against it, or like this seat, you can actually sit facing forward into a nice lounger position. I'll let Scott go up and show you guys the over the top windlass. So all controls are done at the helm. So again, beautiful layout here on this 242. This boat is located in our showroom right now in Brick, New Jersey. My name is Frank Conteschi. Thank you guys for your time.